Hi everyone and welcome. Today we'll be learning how to calculate the point of intersection. Now the point of intersection is the place where two graphs touch one another. Now in this case we've got two linear lines or two straight lines and they cross one another at this point. So this point is the point of intersection. So what is it that we want to calculate? We want to calculate the coordinates of this point. Now to do that, it's quite a simple calculation. All that we need is the equations of both these two straight lines, and lucky for us, they are given to us. So we are simply going to equate these two equations. So let me show you. So we're going to equate gx with fx, so that means 2x minus 1 must be equal to minus half an x plus 4, because at this point they both are the same. Okay, so that's why we are equating them. Now, this is a x to the power of 1 and x to the power of 1, and it makes sense because these are linear lines, so this remains a linear equation. And to solve a linear equation, we want to take all our constant terms to one side and all our variable terms to the other side. So let's take this minus 1 to the right side, it becomes a plus 1, so plus 4 plus 1 is 5, and we can take this variable term which is minus half an x and we take it to this side, it becomes plus half an x, and we've got 2x plus half an x is 2.5 x's, or in other words 5 over 2x. Now I like to work with these improper fractions, and therefore we have 5 over 2x is equal to 5, and to calculate x we are simply going to divide with this coefficient on this side. So 5 divided by 5 over 2 gives us an x that is equal to 2. So this is our x coordinate of this point of intersection. Now to find the y coordinate, it's quite easy because this point is on both of these two straight lines. I can simply take this x coordinate and substitute it into any one of these x's. Okay, so I'm just going to use the easier equation. So in the place of this x, I'm going to put this 2 in order to find its y coordinate. So to get the y coordinate, I'm going to write down y is equal to 2, and then in the place of this x, I'm going to put this 2, so there it is, and then the minus 1. So 2 times 2 is 4, minus 1 gives us a y that is equal to 3, and the y coordinate is a 3. And that is all there is to it. So all that you have to remember, where two graphs cross one another, their equations will be equal. And we simply have to solve for the x, and once we get the x coordinate, we can substitute it into any one of the equations to get the y coordinate. See you again next time. Bye.